Hello YouTube. In my last video we discussed about colors in CSS3. In this video we'll discuss about background properties in CSS3. And when it comes to background properties, we mainly have 5 properties. Right guys? The first is the background color property, background image, background repeat, background attachment and background position. We already seen background color now. We will not look into background color as of now. Right guys? I will refresh this content. I will code div now here. Under div we will add h1 hello world. And guys, for this div we will give a id, right? Id we'll give it as abc, right? And we'll change this as 1 to div, right? And we'll refresh the output. Yes, background color, this is the div, background color will be red and font color will be obviously default black, right? Now we will add h1 here. Sorry, to use elements of div we need to specify a greater than symbol and add h1. To apply style properties to the elements of the div, you need to use a greater than symbol, right guys? Now we will use color here, color white, sorry. Okay, refresh. Yeah, you can see it here. For this, now we will apply opacity, right? Opacity 1.0, or we'll give it as opacity 0.3. Yeah, opacity is used to blur or make the div elements clear, right? Make the div elements blur or clear, right? So this is why opacity is used, right guys? Opacity can range from 1 to under below 1 or greater than 1, right? We will now use 0.6 different value and see, yeah, opacity has increased, right guys? Sorry, opacity has reduced, right guys? Okay, next property we'll look into is, we have looked into background color, we will look into background image now, right guys? Background image. For using background image, wait, yeah, for the div we will use background image. We will code it the id property, background yeah, we need to specify the URL of the image, right? URL is a path of the image, right guys? We'll go to pictures, we'll select on a picture, we'll select this picture and we will go to its properties and copy its path first. Sorry, it has to be under columns, under inverted commas, bar. We'll specify the image name. Yeah, now we'll see the output now. Output has not been come. Yeah, output has come now, right? Background, this is an image, right guys? We will extend the height of the div now and check out and see, you can see the image clearly. height 500 pixel. Yeah, see the image here. You can see the image, right guys? You're seeing the image, right? You will delete this opacity now. You will see the image clearly, right guys? The next property we have looked on to. Now we have looked on to background image. The next property is background repeat property. Background repeat can be used to restrict the repetition of image, right guys? Background repeat, you can give it as no repeat. Once you give it as no repeat, image doesn't repeat, right guys? You're seeing the output, right? Image appears only once, right guys? This is how you can use background repeat property. The next property what we will be using is background attachment, right guys? Background attachment. Before using background attachment, we'll use background position. We'll look onto background position. We'll give it a center. Yeah, background position. The background position of image can be adjusted, right guys? The image has come to center now. So you can use background position. The last property, background attachment. Yeah, background attachment can be fixed, right guys? Wait guys, wait. Now we will increase the height of the body tag. Body height, we will give it as 2000 pixel, and we refresh the page. Yeah, background attachment seems to work. We'll debug this background attachment. Whether the background image are fixed with the regard to the viewport or scroll along with the element content locally. Give it as local. Background attachment. Wait guys, we will look onto this background attachment. There's something has to be debugged. Background attachment. Fixed. If it is given been fixed means it should come here. Wait. Okay. I got it now. Yeah. If we increase the height of the the body will increase the height of the div, right guys? Press the page. Yeah, see, the image has been fixed, right? Background attachment, the image has fixed, right? We are moving div, but image is not moving. Though the image is coded inside the div, the image doesn't move because we are using a background attachment property, right guys? Background attachment fixed. This is how you can use background attachment property, right guys? I looked onto 5 background properties in this video, namely background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position. That's it guys. That's it for this video. The video is informative. Like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button.